Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Morning,
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem regarding my voice clarity?
No, sir.
Okay, Arnav Avasthi also, you also have to unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any problem regarding voice clarity?
No, sir.
Mithi also, Mithi Singh and Angel. Angel, unmute yourself. Angel. Okay, today 3 students will remain unmuted. Srishti Kumari, Arnav Avasthi and Mithi Singh. Okay? Are you not listening? You are not responding, Srishti Kumari? Yes, you have to respond. Whatever I will say, I will ask, you have to respond. So are you listening? Is there any problem regarding voice clarity?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So tell me, Srishti Kumari, in the previous class, till which chapter we have completed? Tell me.
Sir, chapter 4
Sir, chapter 4 is completed.
Page number 21.
Chapter 4 is completed.
Sir, chapter 4 is completed.
Next, chapter 5 is
Singular and plural.
Okay, tell me, till which chapter we have completed? Chapter 4.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me open book on the screen. Let me open the book on the screen. Let me open the book on the screen. Okay, book is here. English 1, very good. English 1, Summer. Summer has started drawing. Write the name of Summer. Write the name of Summer. Mithi Singh. Write the name of Summer. His name is visible here. He started drawing. Those who draw on the screen will get TC when school will reopen. I am telling you. Those who disturbs, they will get TC. Okay, line has been disconnected automatically. Means we are facing network problem today. Mithi Singh, are you listening?
Sir.
Srishti Kumari, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is book visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Today we are going to start chapter 5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let us begin chapter 5. On your screen, there is chapter 5, and this is very, very easy and interesting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very, very easy and interesting chapter. So let us try to understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First step, the name of the chapter is written singular and plural. Singular and plural is
And
very easy
plural.
chapter. You have studied in your previous classes.
Yes, sir.
You have studied in your class 2 and class 1 also. So let us again study in class 3 in a little bit deeper way.
Yes,
in a
sir.
little bit deeper way. So should I continue your class in
sir.
English or Hindi? Should I continue your class in Hindi or English? What language you want me to speak?
English. English.
English.
Very good.
English, sir.
Very good. One day I will teach you in Bhojpuri also. Okay. In Bhojpuri, how class will look like? Okay, so read out here. First step. Read the following sentences. Here it is written, Meera bought a brush from the market. Meera bought several brushes. Brush means only one brush. But here it is written several brushes. Several brushes means more than one brush. More than one means it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100,000, lakh, crore, anything it can be. Okay. So Meera has bought a brush from the
Yes,
market.
sir.
Meera bought several brushes from the market. So the word which is written in the red color. You are seeing here the word which is written in red color here in first
Brush
sentence.
and brushes.
Yes.
Brush and brushes.
Very good. So
Brush and
brush is singular and brushes is plural. Brush is singular and brushes is
Plural.
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 Let us read next sentence. Sentence number B. Rohan kept the toy in the box. Rohan kept the toys
The toy in the box.
So in the first sentence
The
of
toys in the boxes.
question number B, toy and box is written in red color. This is singular.
Is singular.
And in the second sentence, toys and boxes.
Plural.
Yes, it is plural.
Plural.
Very good. Now we have got the definition of singular and plural. If someone will ask you what is singular noun or what is singular, then you have to say this line. Noun that is one in number is called singular noun. Noun that is one in number
Singular.
is singular noun. Understood, Mithi?
Singular. Yes, sir.
Okay. Noun that is more than one in number is plural noun. The noun that is more than
Plural noun.
yes, noun that is more than one in number is called plural noun. All of you need to say is called also. Called. Okay. So in next class or whenever I will conduct the oral test, so I will ask all the question what I had already made you understand in the previous classes also, like what is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, collective noun. Then here now you have got singular noun and plural noun. If I will ask what is singular noun, then you need to say the first line. And if you will be asked what
Noun that is one in number in singular noun.
and if I will ask what is plural noun, then what will you say?
Noun that is more than one in number is plural noun.
Is called plural noun.
Very good. All students who are present in the class, all of you need to learn the definition of singular noun and plural noun. Now let us move
Okay, sir.
making plural.
Okay, sir.
Now we will learn how to make plural. How to make plural. Okay.
Plural. Yes,
So,
sir.
making plural is very easy. You just need to add s only. What you need to add? S only you need to add and it will become
S.
plural.
S only.
Yes, like boy, chair, table, and bag is written. If you will add s,
Bag.
if you will add s to these words, so these words will become plural. Boys, chairs, tables, and bags.
Chair, tables, bags.
But you listen, Srishti Kumari first. But there are so many words are there in which you need to add es for making it plural, not only s. If you will, some words are there in which you need to add only s, but there are so many words are there in which you need to add es. In which what you need to add es.
Yes, sir.
So in
Yes.
what kind of words you will add es? Those words which is ending with these letters. Those words which are ending with these letters means ch, sh, so, double s, and x. So those words,
and X.
yes, those words which is ending means at the end these letters would be there. So in those kind of words, you have to add es for making it plural. Suppose here it is written branch, branch. Ch is written. So those words which is ending with ch, here you have seen here. I have made you understand. If you will find ch, then you have to add es. You have to add es. Then yes, then here it is written box. So at the end, at the last letter, it is written x. So again, I have made you understand here that those words which are ending with x only, that also you need to add es. Then again, princess is written,
Yes, sir.
princess. So these words, this word princess is ending with double s. So if you will find the words which is ending with double s, so in that also you need to add es for making it plural. Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
if you will find single s also, only one s, even then you need to add es. Here it is also written, if you will find only s or double s, s or double s, then you have to add es. What you need to add? Es.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
yes. In potato, the word potato is ending with letter O. So if you will find letter O, in that also you need to add es. In that also you need to add es for making it plural. So
Yes.
yes, potatoes.
Yes,
And if you will find the word which is ending with sh, here sh. So again you need to add es. And if you will find the word which
Yes.
if you will find the word which is ending ch, so again you need to add es. Again you need to add es. So you understand? Yes. So if you will find those words which are ending with ch, sh, s, o, double s, x, so you need to add es for making it plural. Understood, everybody? Any problem? Any problem?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
What? No, sir. Yes, sir. You
No,
are
sir.
saying both. You are saying yes, sir, and no, sir, both. Okay. Come to page number 22. Come to at page number 22. See. At page number 22, we are going to read out again some rules of making plural. How to make plural. See here. In page number 22, if you will find those kind of words which is ending with letter y, those words in which that word is ending with letter y, at the end of that word, if y is written, suppose here it is written country, at the end y is written lady, at the end of this word y is written, then in city, at the end of this word y is written. So what you need to do, you have to change Y into
IES.
first. No, first you listen now. You have to change Y into I. First you change Y into I. What you need to do? First you take,
I.
yes, then you need to add ES. First, if you will get Y, so change it into I, then add ES. If you will get Y, first into I, then add ES. In this way, those words which are ending with letter Y, you have to change Y into I first, then you have to add ES. Okay, Srishti,
Yes.
you understood, Srishti?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
But there are exceptions
Yes,
are
sir.
there. But there are exceptions are there. So many words are there which are ending with Y, but in those words you don't need to change Y into Y. You just need to add S only. You need these things, you need to keep it in your mind while making plural. Then you will not make any mistake. So these words, in these words, boy, key, ray, and tray, you need to add S only. But if you will find these kind of words, means country, lady, and city, so you have to add IES. Okay. Now come to
Yes, sir.
now come here these kind of words. But there are so many words are there which don't follow any rules. In these words, you don't need to, then there is no any fixed rule to making the plural. Here, what you need to do, you have to keep it in your mind. The plural of ox is oxen, the plural of child is children, the plural of woman is women. Correct pronunciation is women. No one will say woman, woman. Woman is the wrong pronunciation. Woman is the wrong pronunciation. All of you need to say women. What will you say, all of you?
Women.
We.
Women.
Yes, women. Women is the correct pronunciation. Don't say woman, woman. Woman is the wrong pronunciation. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then foot, feet, mouse will become mice, man will become men, tooth will become teeth.
Mice.
Yes.
Men.
So these things you need to keep it in your mind. These words don't follow any rules and regulations. You just need to keep it in your mind that the plural of ox is oxen, the plural of child is children, the plural of woman is women, the plural of foot is feet, the plural of mouse is mice, the plural of man is men, the plural of tooth is teeth. And again at the end we have got some special words. In these special words, singular is also same and plural is also same, like sheep. Sheep is singular, and if you have to make plural, so you don't need to add s, es. The plural of sheep is also sheep. The plural of news is also news. The plural of furniture is also plural. And the plural of money is also plural. And singular is also same, plural is also same. Singular is also same, plural is also same. Understood?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. At the end, there are 3 words are given here. For some noun, we use the plural form for one thing only, like scissors. Scissor is singular, but we always say plural. Scissors, jeans, spectacles. So these were the rules of singular and plural. Now we will fill it, and this is very, very easy and very interesting. Now we'll try to solve these exercise. Okay. I will write here answer and all of you.
Yes, sir.
So first question is written, we have to make plural. Okay. First question is written, his foot are dirty. Then what would be the correct answer? His feet are dirty. What we will write here? His feet.
Feet.
Yeah, his feet are dirty.
His feet are dirty.
Very good. In question number B, trees shed their leaves in autumn. So we will not write here leaves. leaves will become leaves. Leaves will become leaves here. Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Trees shed
Yes, sir.
their leaves. Leaves, leaves. Trees shed their leaves. Trees shed their leaves. After that, what is written? Trees shed their leaves. After that, which word is written?
Leaves.
Now, after leaves, what is written? After leaves, what is written?
In autumn.
In autumn, yes.
In
In,
autumn.
yes, in autumn.
Autumn.
Very good. Any problem to understand? Any problem to
No,
understand?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number C. She put the clothes.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Now here we need to write she put the clothes. She put the clothes
No. No.
out for drying. At the end of the each sentence, you have to put full stop. At the end of the each sentence, you need to put full stop. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 deers are grazing in the park. 5 deers are grazing in the park. So here it is written plural. What is the question written? Let me read out. After correcting the incorrect singular or plural. Okay. Here it is written in plural and we have to make it singular. Here sentence is written in plural. We have to make it in singular. 5 deers are grazing in the park is written here and we need to write here a deer is grazing in the park. Here what we need to write? A deer is grazing in the park. A deer is grazing in the park. Then my pair of spectacles is missing. So here we need to write my pair of spectacles are missing. Okay. My pairs of spectacles Any problem to understand?
No.
Sir.
Very good. Next sentence is written the cook kept the knives in the drawer. So we need to write in place of knives, we will write knives. The cook kept the knives. Here we will write the cook kept the knives. The cook kept the knives. In the drawer. I saw a pack of wolves running in the forest. So in this sentence, in place of wolves, we will write wolves. I saw a pack of I saw a pack of wolves running in the forest. In this question, the cat chased the mouses. So what we will write here, the singular of mouses, what will become? Srishti, tell me, singular of mouses.
Mice.
Yes, yes. Plural of mouse.
Mice.
Plural of mouses. Plural of mouses is mice. Very good. Correct answer. The cat chased.
Mice.
The cat chased the mice. Here, there was a meeting of the woman in the evening. So in place of woman, what we will write here? Tell me.
Women.
Women. Women. What we will say?
Women.
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 Yes, we need to pronounce it as.
Women.
Yes, correct pronunciation is women. There was a meeting. There was a meeting of the women in the evening. At the last sentence, there are many gooses. So we will write geese, G-E-E-S-E, geese. There are many geese. There are many geese cackling. Okay, so we have done, we have completed. Everybody has completed. Okay, Shad Shattar Ahmad, you have raised your hand. Tell me any problem. All of you have written. Mithi, tell me.